All right. What's going on, people? Welcome back. Where are we? Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. Let me just get everything fired up here properly. Alright, awesome. Let me play this here. Happy Thursday, everyone. Happy Thursday. What's going on, Zoom guys? Welcome back. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. All right, cool. I think everyone's tuning in. Let me get the stream deck. There we go. Cool. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, man. Good morning. What's going on, guys? Good to jump back on. Big 4-hour close on gold to start the day in Asia. Pre-PMI tonight. What time is that news? We got PMI at 2:45 London time. 2:45, random time. Oh, I didn't fix this. Let me try and fix this. Cool. That'll do. Where is everyone? 24 people in. What time is it? 5 to... Hey, Chris, what's going on, man? Let me just check this is working. Thank you for your time also. Thank you, man. Yeah, I have heard of Apex. I personally prefer Top Step. I much prefer Top Step, man. Sorry guys, I'm just fixing this. 2 seconds. There. Oh, man. Why is this being funny today? I don't know. That'll have to do. That'll have to do. But yeah, I have heard of Apex. For me, Top Step are far superior. Top Step are far better for me. Time is it? 5-2. 5-2. All right. This daily started so far. Asia ended up having a pretty big move down today. Daily's at a very, very nice level of support though. Yeah, 100%. Alright, so I think everyone's pretty much in. Let's get started.
Recording in progress.
Let's get started. Oh, Sean with the new portable monitor. Good man. Good man. Alright, let's do it guys. Let's break down Goldie for the day. Let's have a look what we got today. So gold, obviously we have big news today, 2:45 London time. We do have big news. What we can kind of see on gold is yesterday we came down, we grabbed Tuesday's low, held this 2500 support and had this beautiful rejection. And we've now come all the way back down so far this morning, rejected that 2500 level again. And you know, you're already seeing off that 2500 level a 55 tick bounce, a beautiful bounce with a lot of equal daily highs now on gold. So I'm looking for today to flip bullish and have a nice drive up into these daily highs. Into at least yesterday's high would make a lot of sense on gold. Have a look at the 4 hour here on gold. This daily level also works out to be a lower time frame, a very nice triple top. You got 1, 2, 3 equal highs. So anyone who's shorting gold off this resistance, stops are going to be above these areas. Stops are going to be above this high here. So we want to, once we get back above here in a higher time frame, we want to be buying gold up into here. That'll probably come with the news, but that's what we're overall looking for today. Gold buys, big gold buys. Hourly time frame here on gold. Again, you know, you've respected this 2500 level. You've beautifully bounced off it. You had 2 hourly equal lows. You've now grabbed the equal hourly lows. Had this bottom wick rejection and having a beautiful flip already. 6 a.m. London time, you're having this very nice flip. Very nice flip. Where you are already coming into this. Let me see, where does this look like? Resistance, broke, support, broke below, straight back above, fake out, broke above support, broke below, retesting this level as resistance. So coming into this big resistance level, and this is probably going to be our overall London range that we want to be looking at. 4 hour spot chart look pretty different to the futures. Yeah, they're probably completely different, man. They probably close at completely different times. Every broker will be completely different. That's why we just got the spot chart. So hourly here on gold, yeah, you're having this really nice push up. The hourly is about to close in 2 minutes. So let's see how it closes. Buys at 6 a.m. London time here would have actually been beautiful. Don't know if anyone caught that. I haven't caught up on market chat yet, but that would have been a beautiful buy. You grab the lows, 2500 is a huge level to retrace into this resistance. Great trade. Very nice trade. 30-minute here on gold. You can see we are currently grabbing 2 equal highs. We've come up, we've liquidated them equal highs. We grabbed the lows, we broke out, retested beautiful buys from here with a clear target and a liquidity grab. So now we want to see how this 30 minutes going to close in 1 minute to see if gold's going to come down and dip lower, or we're going to break to the upside and come up for these highs. I do believe these highs overall today will be grabbed, but you know, when there's that big liquidity above, it can sometimes take all the way until the news. So let's just see. If we break out here in the next 1 minute, fantastic. But this hourly close is going to be very key. It's going to be very key. So let's see how it's going to close and see what we got for today in London. Let's see if we can finally get some London trades. 2500 levels, huge. Absolutely huge. You do, like, thing is, overall, I do... Again, it completely depends on how the news goes today, but I do like gold to come down and retest into these areas properly. But I think if we're going to retest into these areas, you're going to need to come up, grab these highs before then potentially doing that. And I want to take advantage of this move here. And then once you get up there, I don't really care about trying to predict that big of a move. I want to try and get the buys up into that area overall. And then maybe tomorrow if you get the shorts down into there, fantastic. But I don't really care about that far ahead. We're thinking about what could we do today. If we don't break above this level, we're still breaking out here, and if we get a decent bottom wick, and we could still have some buyers. Could still have some buyers. Four-hour, yeah, big 4-hour resistance. If this 4-hour flips bearish, you do have sells into previous 4-hour lows, which is 25 ticks, which is also pretty nice. That's 3 hours away though. All right, let's have a look. So 4-hour here on, hourly here on gold has closed bullish with a very nice breakout. So you want to see it dip down before we can get these buys into previous hourly highs at least. So nice hourly breakout there. Beautiful morning star being formed here. 15 minutes had a great breakout. 30 minutes had a really nice breakout as well. So all time frames are breaking to the upside, which is what we like to see. So there's that double, there's that beautiful double top that we can grab. Yeah, them buys were beautiful. Liquidity to liquidity, look at that. Grab the lows where you come for the highs, amazing. So let's see if we can get a bottom wick before we can buy up into these areas. I'm not buying it from here, there's no stop loss. If I'm buying gold, it's back down at support. Yeah, it picked up a lot, man. Yeah, I want to see it continue. How big of a move was this? What time is this? 6:45 London time. Yeah, 46 tick move. That's a very decent move pre-London. A very decent move. In from 25.01. Yeah, great entry, man. 25.01's a beautiful level to be in long. You're probably already out. 40 ticks. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. Into previous hourly highs. What do you have? 10. Nah. $15 coming down now. This is coming down nicely now. This is coming down. This is good. This is a nice bottom wick now. So now we want to be looking for buys if we can flip above this area. Re-break that high and you'll be flipping bullish on the hourly. You have to manage quite aggressively because as soon as you grab them highs, tap into that region. This is the big 4-hour resistance. Big 4-hour resistance. I would love to grab the lows and be buying gold from like back down here. Even to all the way down here. I'm not taking this flip, it's not worth it. If I want to be buying gold, I want to be buying it down here. Down there, or obviously down there before. Not here. Not here. But yeah, PMI will be very interesting today for gold. I think it could set us up some very large moves. Some very large moves. Let me just fire up top step here. Let's get top step. Where are we? Cool. What's Tilt saying? 78% long, 22 short on top step to start the day. On gold, I should say. So more people getting involved in these buys. I want to see us grab some lows before I can get in. You know, it's valid to get it here because you're taking the 30 hourly and the 15 flip, but it's just 10 ticks away. It's not worth it. But if we do grab some lows, we can get more of a better stop loss. You know, from anywhere below this low here up into there. Yeah, 25 ticks. Yeah, nice. Almost 30. So I would love to see us get back below here. Back below there. Re-grab the, just at least the hourly highs. You got about 23. 23 ticks. Alright, so 5 minutes just closed, kind of holding this support. Let's see if we can grab some lows here. Let's see. We can grab some lows and then re-break maybe even this current 5 high. We could consider it. I say consider it because it's still only 12 ticks, but grabbing the lows nicely there now on gold. 15's got 2 equal highs, 30's got the equal highs, the hourly does as well. Only time frame that's kind of off-putting is the 4 hour, because 4 hour resistance is there, yeah, but it's also here. So we are buying right at big 4 hour resistance. But, you know, just to pull back to at least re-grab the hourly highs. As long as it's worth it. 10 ticks. What's the spreads like today? 1 tick, nice. Very nice. Five's trying to flip bullish. What would this trade look at? What would this look like? You'd be looking at something like that, risking off that low. Yeah, you got a 1-to-1. Nah. Here he is. This 5 flip, you know, it could be valid. It's just, you know, buying up into there is just pointless. It's that tough range is kind of just forcing it. You've already had this big push up. Unless we have, like, you know, much higher levels where, you know, on the 15 you could come back up into like 25.10. If we look at this on the 15, but it's quite far away, up into here maybe. But you got to clear all that 4 hour resistance first. I don't think that's going to be that easy. So you're not grabbing that low, but you're grabbing that low. I don't know, maybe if this 5 minute closes here, the next 5 gives a bottom wick, and then we can kind of get a better risk to reward. Like that. Then you can consider it, but here? No. Up into here? No. It's only 10 ticks. It's not worth it. $15's flipping bullish here, 30's flipping bullish. Hourly also flipping bullish. If you did take this little 5 flip, once you re-break the highs, you want to be break even. So if you're in from this, you want to be break even because you could grab these highs to pull down as well. You don't want to be break even there. Did you just create a little double top there? Yeah, a little double top. Let's see if we get instant bottom wick here and see if you can drive it much higher. It'd have to be a pretty decent bottom wick for me to want to take it. Look at this 5 now. Grabbing the highs, grabbing the lows. But you have just left a perfect double top. Oh, like the 1 minute or something. Yeah. Little fake out there. Look at that. Broke below support, straight back above. Bottom wick. Little 1 minute fake out. So we start trading the 1 minute. There you go. So you just hit them hourly highs there. You've just grabbed them hourly highs. So you might spike out a little bit more. It's a shame that range wasn't big enough. Yeah, 9 ticks. 9 ticks. What was it below that low? 17, not bad. Not bad. Morning team, good morning man. Short squeezing coming, yeah, possibly. You just want to kind of be careful buying at these areas because you're literally buying at 4-hour resistance. All of this, you know, you close back above that, great. Once you get back above this, you got gold buys all the way up into here. Also surprised we never re-grabbed the lows. So if you do pull back this 4-hour flips, you do also have shorts. What's that 5 flip giving you? 12? Yeah, it's only 12. Oh yeah, let me have a look at your portable monitor setup, Sean. Let's have a look, man. Where is it? Yeah, sick, man. That's sick. That's amazing. Love to see the portable monitors. Oh, nice. You got a stand for it as well. Nice. So much easier when you have it that way. Clean, man. Very clean. So come in handy, yeah, absolutely, man. They're amazing, man. They're so light. You literally just chuck them in your bag, and yeah, you honestly, you don't even know they're there. So easy just to plug in, like you got it there in a coffee shop. That's awesome. That's amazing. Five minutes trying to come down here. This is the grab of the previous hourly highs. Get us in the hourly here. If it wasn't such a strong level here, I'd be buying this right now, but here is just a huge level. I want to see this massively cleared before I buy gold today. I do love gold buys today, but above here. Either above here or back down here. not here. You buy gold at support, not at resistance. That's why the 6 AM buys was so nice, because you bounced off support, grabbing the lows. So you're buying at 4 hour support, not buying at 4 hour resistance. Buying at 4 hour resistance is asking for trouble. Asking for trouble. $15's about to close soon. 15's closing strong. That's closing no top wick. Tiny, tiny, tiny one. If there wasn't so much mess to the left, I would take this 15 flip now, because this is a very nice bottom wick. You did actually get a little bit of a top wick, very small, but you did get a little one. The bows are going at it today. FOMC meeting minutes didn't really do too much yesterday. Didn't really do too much. When did it come out? Where is it? 7 PM London time? Yeah, give it a big spike up. And then respected this huge triple top. And then sold straight back down. So you had this, what? 100 tick push up. Almost 90 tick push down. Little pullback and then big drop in Asia. Bigger drop in Asia than you did with the news yesterday. Early morning start. Yeah, all the way down there, yeah. That's why buys there were so nice. But that morning star's already played out. You want to be buying this one. 56 ticks. That 6 AM candle, that right there, that's your beautiful morning star play. Oh, let's see, Chris. Let's see, man. Let's see. Oh, sick. Nice. That's crazy. Nice. Mad. How do you find good levels when it's messy to left? Just the higher time frame, really. Now you kind of see big 4 hour resistance, big 4 hour support. So that's why I've got these levels on here like that. It's mainly off the 4 hour there. So we've got this big 4 hour support here. We break back above this in the 4 hour. Next 4 hour you're gonna have great buys. But when it's really messy left, if you feel like your levels are kind of getting pretty ugly. This one's alright because you cut through a lot of wicks, not many bodies. Every time you do cut through a body, it's a fake out. Broke below, straight back above. Broke below, retest, push down. So this is a strong level. Even an hourly closure back above this. Last time you closed above this on the hourly, you bottom wicked and had a beautiful drive. But we need to see that actually close above because right now this could easily wick back down and push lower. So we get an hourly closure above this level. Fantastic. But yeah, if you ever find that it's like really messy to left and you don't know where to draw your levels, it's probably a good sign to not jump in a trade and be okay with that as well. Be more than okay with that. Because you kind of see like even to the upside where you got, we're coming into Pretty strong level there. And then above that, you got a strong level there. Above that, you got a strong level there. Like it gets really ugly above there. Alright, give me 2 seconds, guys. I'm just gonna grab a drink. Oh, I don't have the light on. Alright, 2 seconds, guys. Back in 2 secs. For brakes. Wait for a back test of the brake zone. Yeah, 100%, man. Yeah, in the middle. In the middle, it's any man's game, especially when it's a 4-hour time frame as well. You know what? You're going to buy 4-hour resistance just because you had a 15-minute breakout? Hell no. Remember, this can easily, on the hourly, still wick down and respect this resistance. If you tried to buy this breakout every time before the hourly closed above, you would have got stopped out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Made it there 7 times before it actually broke out. So don't look at this but damn, why wasn't I in this? Well, if you tried to do it every time here, it wouldn't have worked. So just wait for it to actually break out. And if we do close above on the hourly, great, next hourly got buys. Super simple. But this could easily still wick all the way down, close back below this level, and leave a massive wick. And continue to play within here and here. But if you do, like I say, if you do close above, fantastic. You close above, and then you got gold buys probably back up into these areas. Which from here to here, 43 tick range. This is the hourly. I'm surprised these ranges are so small. Let's have a look at what's Nasdaq been up to recently. Big push back up. Are we back up at the all-time highs? Nah, not yet, not yet. Still see a decent pullback on Nasdaq before coming back to the all-time highs, that's for sure. How's copper up to? Should we watch a little bit of copper today? Kind of creeping its way up. There's a nice little, I don't know when that was from. There's a nice liquidity grab there. Rip up. When was that? Thursday, look at that huge push. Even here, when was this? Asia, yes, they grabbed the lows, big push. What are we doing on copper so far today? Grabbing the highs, no real targets. I'm gonna watch copper on this chart up here. 81% long. Let's see. Yeah, 82% long now. Yeah, huge. I kind of want to see that dip down because I do think it'd be a lot of profit. You know, if you're buying this 2500 level, you're taking profit at these areas. What's that 5 minute up to? Yeah, no, look at the upside. Yeah, it's good to know. Nasdaq good for a buy. Let's have a look. 4 hour. Hourly grabbing the lows, re-breaking the highs. Yeah, I can kind of see that. Into maybe there, max. Are we even there? Yeah. Having a short jump chip. Yeah, this 30 is going to close in 3 minutes. 30 is pushing up very well. The thing, it's the annoying thing with this move is like the best place to buy this was obviously down here. Once you grabbed the lows and then broke out. 6:30 AM was the place to buy here. Not here, and certainly not here. Down here. You don't want to be buying up here. So that's already happened. Not really a lot you can do. Get on the charts earlier. But buying gold here? Yeah, I won't be buying gold there. It makes no sense. If I'm buying gold, it's back down here or it's here. Not here. So you just gotta let it push up for now. Not all you can do. Unless, you know, like I say, we get that that hourly breakout. Yeah, great to see the volume. Yeah, absolutely, Ron. Yeah, great to see the volume, man.
What up?
Yo.
What we on me?
Goldie to the moon.
Yeah. Got nice little buys on my my combine thing.
Yeah, nice. Where'd you get him from? Down here?
On the future. No, I got in a. I took the break. I mean the flip of the current 30-minute candle.
Current flip of the 30. This one?
Yeah, pretty much when that flip.
Nice, good man.
Because I was targeting those 30 highs that it's just gone past as the next level.
These ones?
No.
These ones?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I figured if it broke them highs, it was sort of clear traffic to the next top one, which was like 20, 30 ticks, and it's absolutely ripping.
Yeah, ripping, man, ripping. It's a good buy. Good buy. Yeah, it's painful to watch this ripping so much. There's literally not a lot you can do.
It didn't really give a safe entry Like I didn't take it on my express or anything.
Yeah, the only safe entry was down here.
Sort of just pulled down without really grabbing any lows.
Here was the entry. Not here. Not here. Certainly not here. She's booming. It's a huge London move. It's annoying because it's now just going to go sideways for like the next the next like 2 to 3 hours. London's not going to keep ripping after a 100 tick push.
Especially not pre-news.
Nah, not pre-news. Nah. Selling opportunities. What do you mean? Gold's literally ripping. Why would you go short? You've been long opportunities. 100, yeah, 100 tick. Why would you want sell opportunities? Wouldn't you want long opportunities? Gold's going up.
Trend your friend.
Trend your friend.
Gold's going to 3k. Watch
Easy.
this space, heard it here first.
Easy. Easy. Did I just leave my water bottle in there? Yeah, I did. 2 seconds. Alright, let's see. So we're coming back into that hourly resistance. Nice big hourly level. 15 is trying to pull back. Always waiting for pullbacks. Yeah, it's the smart move, man. Like I said, the only place to buy gold today was at support, not at resistance. So if you're not already in this and you weren't on the charts down here, well, don't beat yourself up. Well, follow your plan. Does your plan tell you to buy at resistance? Of course not. If it does, you need a new plan. Because the move happened at 5 AM London time, is what it is.
Trading's quite simple, really. Just buy low and sell high. Hey?
Buy high. Wait, what? Wait. Yeah, what you said. Yeah, buy high. Buy high, sell low. MC every time.
He's coming for those highs at the 25-20 area.
Yeah, man.
It's too nice not to grab.
Yeah, they're the real juicy buys I want today. Probably coming in the US, but yeah, they're them beautiful buys I want.
Market executing risk off yearly lows, you'll be up.
Wait, so what? That, did you say? Is that a good trade?
No, you want yearly lows.
Oh, yearly lows.
2,000 or something, yeah.
Oh.
Beautiful.
Pretty sure it will hit. Alright, guys.
That's not a signal, by the way.
No financial advice here. No financial advice here. Short and gold at 25.12. 25. Wait. 25.12. Where's that? Oh, it hasn't tapped it yet. No, wait and see, really. It's not there yet. Who knows what's going to happen around there. We got this hourly close in 25 minutes as well. Ideally, this hourly closes, which it looks like it's going to, above this level. And then we can bottom wick, and then we can buy into regrabbing highs. Just want to see this break. I want to see, as long as we break back above this level, great. But we've aggressively closed below it, so you have to see it close above. Same as the 4 hourly. Previous 4 hourly was aggressively bearish without re-grabbing the lows. So don't see this move up and like, damn, how did I not catch that? You're at big. This could still, in 2.5 hours, still close back below this level and dip down. Risk reward 1500 to 1. Yeah, so you got a good win rate. It's all that matters. Remember, win rate's all that matters. See, look at this now. You're getting this harsh sell off from that level now. Well, if we do remember, if we do close back below here, then you got sells. Great. So I'm also open to that. This hourly close is going to be very key. Very, very key. If you close back below here, then yeah, you could sell for a little pullback. But as long as we close above this level, bottom wick, and our buys up into previous hourly highs. A strong 5-minute close there. Did the 5 re-grab the highs? Let's see. Re-grab the highs, pull back to there. Resistance earlier. 2504. When it was 2504, what, down here? Well, if you buy it here, you're buying right into resistance. You're buying at resistance. You want to be buying at support, not buying at resistance. This is hourly resistance. So if you take any buys before that, you're literally buying right into resistance. If I'm buying gold today, it's down here. It's down at the support, not the resistance. So you can buy here and go straight into resistance. The trade can go straight against you. Yes, it's pushed up, but it could have gone literally instantly against you. And then you'd look back and be like, why did I buy there? It was literally right at resistance. But if we close above it, great. But if you get rid of this hourly closes here. If you take buys here, like this, where's your management point? Your management point's here at what, 10 ticks? And that candle could have easily just, like I say, you want to make life as easy. But that next hourly could have literally just done that. And then you'd look back like, why did I buy at resistance? Made no sense. Yeah, 5-minute dropping. Yeah, this is good. This could give an interesting hourly close. How long we got? I had that previous 30 close strong. Very strong. It does, yeah. It could be a massive fake out. That's the thing. That's what gold can do. It can look so bullish. You try and chase it, you're straight into drawdown. Yep, absolutely. If that's your plan. No opinion, man. Absolute, man. That's it. Look at this. I'd wait for the closure, or if you just start breaking the lows, I'll take it. Remember, this is what we've done every single time prior. This isn't surprising. This is why I'm not taking buys. You're just grabbing previous 15 lows as well. Glad you TP'd. You told me to go long. You told me, everyone heard it here as well. Yeah, 5 minutes actually having a really nice push down. Tapped into hourly resistance, grabbed the highs, closed bearish, and this was an instant top wick. That's what I was measuring. And this is now flipping down 18 ticks. Look at that, huge. Fake outs below here, great. Yeah, come up for my yearly stop loss, I know. Career's over. To be fair, I would actually consider a 15-minute fake out. Don't necessarily have to wait for the hourly one. If the 15 engulfs back below this level, yeah, we can pull it back into there. I would take that, definitely. So anyone who was trying to buy here who got FOMO, you're straight into getting stopped out. So was it worth it? I don't think so. Thanks for going over. Yeah, of course, man. It's a good question. It's an important question, man. You can spot it, like even here, you kind of see here. Like here, even here, this 645. There's your right at that resistance. By the time you did close above, you had no bottom wick on that 15. You then came into another level here. Like there's so many messy levels in here. So we're kind of getting a lot of these fake outs. But if we do get this 15 fake out in 5 minutes, we actually could have some really nice sells.
That's going to be throwing a mad wick on the hourly.
Yeah, man. It's almost already flipping bearish. Look at this.
Look at that.
This is what we said. I like the pain of drawdown. Put hairs on your chest.
That's almost, you need to print that out and stick it on the wall.
Yeah, that's some serious Thursday motivation there. Look at that. Tapped right into that beautiful resistance. Broke below. Resistance, push lower. Broke above. Held at support. Push lower. Resistance, resistance. Broke above. Support. Broke below. Resistance. This is great. This hourly closes like this. This next hourly. Top wick. Re-break the lows.
Fill the wick. No, Goldie is.
That's exactly how it's going to look. But now that could actually be a very nice play. L-blown top step XFA. Yeah, absolutely, man. 100%. Yep. Absolutely. The main reason I lost one of my first ones is because when you're trying to hit the green 5 $200 days, you end up doing stupid stuff. But what you need to remember is you don't have to hit them all in one go. And even if you're up $180 on a trade and you want to secure it, great, that all adds up. So don't try and hit the 5 green $200 days like for the sake of it. Like if you're up 180 on a trade and it comes back to a level where it could go against you, don't be like, oh, I'm not going to secure the trade because I'm $20 away. No, if you have to secure the trade, you have to trade the charts, not the challenge or the account. Look at this on gold, 15. How many people are getting rinsed here on longs? How many people are getting absolutely rinsed? This is a huge rejection. Finish more already. If we close like this though, yeah, this could be real nice. We're gonna get this 15 close in 2 minutes as well. Five minute is getting slammed down here. If you size up, you will hit your $200 days quicker. No, that doesn't make sense. You got to stick within 1 to 2 contracts when you're starting on it anyway. Coming all the way straight back down to that level already. Look at that. Straight back down. Or blow the account quick. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, blow the account much quicker. Yeah. Nice one, Mark. See you next time, man. yeah. Thanks so much for that. I'm now. He told me to buy here. I'm now down. What? Instant 50. Hey, Mikey. Not yet, man. Not yet. Had a big rip up and then a big straight rip back down. Get some pretty crazy price action so far. How much is this rejection already? Look at this rejection. What's that? It's 20 tick rejection. Solid. All right, 15's just closed. 15's just closed nice and bearish. We're currently regrabbing previous 30-minute lows. I'm gonna buy here. We're buying a resistance, but if we get back above this, cool. Yeah, I think so, man. I think so. Would make the most sense. It's a pretty solid 15-minute closure, though. Have a look at this in the 15. 15 is just massively closed back below this level, but you're straight into support again. Resistance support range. 22 tick range. Might trade NQ. Yes. Gold's more consistent to me, man. Gold's more consistent and it moves. It moves well in my time zones. Gold moves well. Asia, London, and New York, and it's very consistent with the way it moves. Nasdaq can either just whipsaw like crazy or have massive moves only in US session. So yeah, gold to me is much more consistent. I've traded Nasdaq and ES before, but I always came back to gold. My best trades are on gold. Good job to you wankers. Enjoy, man. See you next time. See you next time, man. Potential 15-minute fake out again. You go long. I've been trading full time for about 4 years, 3-4 years. Yeah, I had profitable trades on it. Not as much as gold though. If this flips bearish, could you see sells? Watching this 30 as well. Look at this 30. 30's regrabbing the lows. Could this 30 hold this support and still push up? Grab the lows. Tapped into this level. Still holding this support. If this flips, this could be a huge push. That could be a really big push. Strong level there. Strong level. Back above that, potential longs. Streamlads, sir. Yeah, the upside one here, like this. Look at this 5 rip and potential strong 5 close here. And you may have buys as this 30 flip. Look at this. How's this hourly looking now? It's gone from flipping bearish to all of a sudden coming all the way back down and reflipping bullish. Price action is crazy. Let's see. One more minute. Oh, is there trend line to the upside? Oh, if this is one, this could be. Oh, look at that! It's a beautiful spot, Mikey. That's a great spot. Yeah, loads of people probably trying to short that. Great spot, man. Very, very nice spot. I know. That's the thing. You can get screwed in here as well. 1 minute you're trying to go long, then stops you out, rips down. You try to go short, then it rips back up. Like you can get pretty resistant here. So you gotta be careful. And these are big moves as well. These are very big moves. If we can catch them, amazing. I'd like to see this 5 minute get back above here before we try and jump in longs, or maybe an instant bottom wick, re-grab the highs. There you go. You got an instant bottom wick there. Re-grabbing them highs now. Not with the way that 15 closed. Do we have any like perfect double tops up here? Not really, only there. Yeah, look at that owly. Yeah, I got away with that. I got away with that owly close. Look at that owly. I got to see this owly break out. 1 minute flipping bearish. Next minute we're pushing up. The next minute we'll come back down. All right, 2 seconds, guys. Look at this 30. If this 30 flips, we could have some really good buys actually. Because you're grabbing you've come all the way down. Look at this, it's crazy. You've come all the way down, you've grabbed the previous 30-minute lows. So if you re-break the highs, we actually could be in for a really nice drive here. And that would also give us a really nice owly close, which would also confirm the trade. And then we also do have the London Open. But we do want to clear this level. Every time you push up, you're coming into big resistance. That's why you're seeing every time you push up, you end up dropping back down, because every single time you come into big levels. But that 30 could be huge. That is massive. Massive. That's right, if I was short in gold, it was back down to this level. So now you've tapped into that level. Big bounce. Big bounce. 2 little equal highs there now. Yeah, you don't want to take the 30 flip with a 30 stop. That's way too big. You take that 30 flip. Stop loss is 70 ticks. That's, I mean, it depends what your plan is if you're more day trading. But for me, scalping, I won't take a 70 tick stop loss. Never. Asia did actually have some valid sells in Asia. Look at that. Grabbed the highs, broke out, retested. Like that doesn't get much easier than that. They're the trades you want. If you're not seeing that now, well then just wait. You had the exact same thing here. Grab the lows, you broke out, you retested, cool, there you go, there's your long. So solid 5-minute rejection there. I think silver's been having a big push recently as well. Yeah, big push. Lovely push. Weekly P&L, none of your business, man. Weekly P&L means absolutely nothing. This is that's huge. I mean, I've had like maybe 3 trades. Hardly traded this week. So there's someone coming in the garage. But this month I've already done a whole video on that. Nah, day trade. I don't sit here and scalp like this. It's too boring. Unless there's great volume, you know, maybe scalp the US session. But on a day like today, nah, I wouldn't be watching it. Maybe watch the 15 and the 30. But to sit and watch every 5-minute candle closure, nah, I don't do it. It's just too draining. 2 hours is more than enough for me to do that. Unless it's something like, you know, US session. Yeah, when I was in Europe. Easy. Tough week trades, 3 on Monday and none since. Yeah, definitely, man. I mean, it's, you know, it's prime mid-August. August has been a great month though so far. That's why we don't need to force it. Yeah, past month though, we've had some absolutely insane trades on stream. Insane trades. You never need to force it. I could have taken all of August off and still would have been good. And that's because the start of the month, like I said yesterday, the start of the month had some amazing volume. Whereas this week, haven't really had too much, especially not in London anyway. I haven't really traded US session at all since I've been back. What's this month so far? I shed it yesterday. Where are we? It's July, August. I shed this yesterday, but there you go. Along with a payout this month as well. When you say, yeah, it's good, it's good. Being disciplined. If you haven't had many trades this week, that's good. Remember, not every day is a trading day. 7K for the month. Yeah, that's plus about $3,000 payout, so over 10,000 this month. And I haven't had like first couple of weeks of August were great. This week I've literally maybe taken two or three trades. So 30-minute on gold has just closed there. So we just got that 30-minute close. Oh, we finally got the hourly close. Had that hourly close. You have closed bullish back above this level for the first time so far today, which is great. We've now closed back above this level. So we want to see a bottom wick, retest this level, and then to see if we can get some longs. 30-minute, grab the lows, held this support, top wick, so you're going to pull back down a little bit first. And then we're going to see if we can get these buys. Let's see, 15, yeah, 15-minute fake out, bottom wick, re-grab the 15 highs. Just need to build the capital, absolute, man. That's all it is, consistency. Discipline and consistency, man. I made over 10,000 this month whilst traveling Europe. Let's see, 15. I mean, he did just get a little, yeah, you see a bit of a bottom wick. You're kind of creating two 15-minute equal highs here. So bottom wick into here, and then cool, we could have some buys. Could have some buys. Ten trades, one win. 10 trades, a lot of trades, man. A lot of trades. For me, I'm like 1 to 2 max, maybe. 1 to 2 a day max. 3 tick loss, 1 break even, 30 tick win. Yeah, that's awesome, Sean. Well done. 3 tick loss is amazing, man. Well done. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Look at the charts for 40 minutes per day. 3 trades a week on average. Yeah, that's awesome. That's good. That's good, that's good, that's good. That's the thing. Less is more in this game. Less is more. I don't really have like a set amount of trades that I take in a day, but on average I'd say it's 1 to 2. Some days I could take none, some days I could take 4. It honestly all depends on what the market gives me. The markets decide, you know, how much my trade runs into or how many trades I have, not me. So now we're getting that bottom wick on the 15 with 2 15-minute equal highs. We're grabbing previous 5 lows. If we grab these lows and reject, we could have some longs here. I think we're going to come up and re-grab these highs. If we re-break this 5-minute body up into there, wow, 35 ticks, and previous 15-minute highs, what would that look like? I don't want to be too hesitant, but the price action is kind of weird. I'm not in this. What would that 5 foot be? Pulling into there is 14, but you want to try and target these highs, which I don't think you're just going to rip here. Grabbing the lows, reflipping bullish. Too busy drawing up, should have just taken it. That's what happens when I draw these up. As soon as you grab them 15 highs, you'd be break even. Yeah, it literally bounced perfectly. If I was too busy drawing up, I should have just taken it. I do that so often. I'm trying to draw up to show everyone and I miss the trade. Just grab the lows, holding the support, go long. 15 is also flipping bullish, 30 is flipping bullish. You got about 36, 32 ticks into highs, 31 ticks. $40. Let's see. Do we have it? If we get a bottom wick, could we still get it? 17 ticks. Yeah, we could. See if we get a bottom wick on this next 5. Instant bottom wick. Let's see. And you could just market execute some longs, risk off previous 5 lows. 20 seconds. and you got these highs to come and grab. Yeah, nice. 7 seconds. Oh, no. Not with that rejection. No longs with that rejection. Yeah, because that also, remember, could be grabbing previous 15 highs. So nah, no longs after that. I was hoping we'd actually close bullish above here, bottom wick, and then we can take it into here. But you've now just grabbed this high, which is the previous 15 highs. So you're just grabbing the previous 15 highs. So this 15 flip, that's where you'd be break even. No bottom wick on this current 5 either, so this could be top wicking to pull back. Ooh, copper on the 30-minute. Instant top wick. If you can see copper flip bearish, you may have some downside. Not that I'm going to be taking it, but it could be interesting. No bottom wick. 22 tick drive on copper, potentially. In on this flip at break even. Yeah, break even's good, man. Break even's good. Break even's good because you don't have a bottom wick. But if you re-break these highs, you should be good. But you could create that bottom wick, so break even smart there, man. I've only got one on top step, man. Only one. My main focus is personal. My funded accounts get kind of left behind. I got one funded account on top step, one funded account on FTMO. On my FTMO last month, I took literally like maybe 2 trades the entire month on it and had a like $3,500 payout. Literally took 1 trade on it, and it was, yeah, it was good. Get more on copy. I make more on personal, man. Make more on personal. Too many rules. It's good for when you're getting started, getting comfortable with strategy. Once you get that, just trade personal. I have what, 150k in funding. Still make more on my still make more on personal. Let's see, 15. I don't really look up from anywhere between 3 to 5 to 10%. Great month. Funded was like maybe 3 or 4% last month or something. Ever take a grab and a flip without waiting for the 55-minute close? Yeah, mainly growing the person, to be honest, Sean. Trying to put in every month as opposed to taking out every month. Five minutes coming down. But I posted on my story, I can't remember when it was. That funded account I've had, which I got back in March, I've had a payout almost every month since then, except 1 month because I didn't trade it. So what, like 3 or 4 payouts on that one account every single month? It's great. Yeah, 3 to 4% is more than enough as well. More than enough. 5-minute close is bullish. It looks like we actually may re-come back for these highs. kind of choppy and ugly, but it looks like we might recon for them. 30 minutes trying to push up, 15 minute struggling. Let's see how we open here. Why are we getting these little random gap ups and down all the time? A gap down here, pushed up, gapped up. Yeah, no, the birds are getting impatient. Pleasure trading, guys. Thank you, man. Appreciate you tuning in. I'm trying to get these gold buys here. Wanted a bottom wick on this fire, but it's not giving me one again. I'm trying to get the buys up into this area here. Even here, you grab the lows, closed bullish, wick the highs, held resistance. Literally, look at this price action. Oh, 100k a month. Fucking man, I got a while. It's more of a psychological issue, I think. Well, more capital as well, but the biggest thing will be psychological barrier. $15 close in 3 minutes. Yeah, I don't know. Why did you delete your message when it started to pull back? You said you were long. Stick with the bias, man. There he is, all in with the longs. Good man. Sticking with it. Yeah, a day you don't think about the money be a day. Absolutely, man. That's the most important part. It's the most important part. I mean, you can get that on prop firms, but it's unlikely. It's unlikely. Yeah, scary. Yeah, so thing dealing with like 10k, 20k drawdown days. Yeah, I'm not mentally there yet, unfortunately. We'll get there though. We'll get there. You know, I'm comfortable with like, you know, maybe 5,000 or something like that. I could easily lose 5,000. I wouldn't be too bothered. Be a little bit annoying. I could rather not, obviously, but yeah, the biggest thing is scaling is once you got consistency down, great, but the next part is just scaling psychology. Yeah, man, having like a 10k stop loss would be crazy. Risking 10k on one trade. But you know, we'll go. Well, I mean, even on like you guys can kind of see here, like it's also like, you know, this is just trading 2.5s, like. It's good, you know, 7,000 a month trading that. If you eventually get that to 5 lots, but it's 14k a month. You know, 10, then what, 28, 30. It's like it's still pretty good trading 2.5s. Eventually get it up to 5 and so on. It's a gradual process. Now, win rate is very good enough to scale it easy, but trading is not what it's made out on paper. If it was that easy, it would all be multi-millionaires. The hardest part is the psychology. Scaling consistency part is the easy part. Psychology is the hardest part in trading. Yeah, absolutely. 15 is about to close here in 25 seconds. Let's see if we do close bullish above the previous 15 high to go long. Yeah, I like that, man. It's solid. Yeah, that's what I really want to buy that. I like that, man. I like that. But look at this 5-minute price action here. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly that, Sean. Yeah, I trade 2.5s. I'm gonna start by over 10,000 this month. That's good enough for me for now. I'll get back to the 10s. 15-minute opening, instant top wick. 15. Look at the volume in these 5-minute candles here, guys. Look at this. This is horrible. Had some great volume, and now you've gone 15, potentially, what, evening start to pull back? Potential? It's just choppy. Doesn't matter what you think is going to happen. The reality of what's actually happening is you're ranging. Who cares what you think? This is what's happening. Big run incoming? I don't know, no reason to say so. This market's just ranging. Like I say, don't stop trying to predict and be right all the time. Markets are literally going sideways. You're respecting resistance, you're respecting support. Well, regardless of what you want to happen, the markets couldn't give a shit. You're in a range. In a range. Trade what you see, not what you think. 15-minute evening star incoming. 14 tick dip back down already. Leverage. I think I have 1 to 500 in this account. I don't really use it. I have about 1 to 500. I think. Someone messaged me. Who did I reply to on a message recently about personal? I missed it. Someone messaged me about personal. Where did I miss it? Oh, here it is. Cool. I'll reply to it after. Where was I at my trading? I've been trading for about 2.5 years, man. 2.5, almost 3 years. Trade the chart, not your heart. Yeah, I like that, man. I like that. I had a funded account and I had personal capital as well. I think it's like my second or third funded account I ever had. Dipping back down here. French manufacturing PMI. Ooh. Oh yeah, nice. 815. Yeah, nice, man. What else have we got today? You got GDP PMI as well. 930. USD PMI is gonna be really big today. Yeah, I'm back in Brisbane, man. Yep, back in Brisbane. Vegas. Back in Vegas. You're grabbing the previous 15 lows. If you re-break the highs, great. 30 minutes also starting to flip back bearish. Look at the 30. Broke below this level. Faked out, retesting it as resistance. Also holding support. Resistance support. In a range. In a range. PMI is going to be the big move today. What time is that my time? It's quite late. I'm still kind of... I've been still trying to get over jet lag. I've been falling asleep at like 9 p.m., 9, 10 p.m. And waking up at like 5. You been trading for 3 years? Nah, I've been trading for almost 7, man. Look at this decent dip down here. I mean, if we break out here, great. But where's our targets? Maybe back down there. Yeah, drop me a message on Instagram, man. Drop me a message on Instagram, man. Absolutely, why not? Always up for meeting new people, man. Drop a message on the IG. If we didn't have this annoying support here, we could short into that. Are we still respecting that trend line? That's why I think you're going to get amazing buys today on PMI. I really do. I think you're going to get amazing. Yeah, look at that. That's crazy. That's what I think. You're building up so much liquidity today. I don't know how far you're going to come down, but I think overall today, to see that into these highs would be huge. But a big move like that's not going to come before the news. Unless it's like closer to it. But in the London session, no way. No way. Yeah, last time I said, yeah, it's true. That's my real move today. And if I go to sleep and miss it, it's going to be expensive sleep. Look at this, 4 hour. What are we doing? We're still respecting the resistance. So we haven't had that 4 hour fake out yet. If this 4 hour flips bearish, you're also going to have a decent drive lower. Yeah, full margin PMI. Yeah, you might have to trade the FTMO today. Full margin it. So if you don't hear any updates about my FTMO, other than today, you know why. Yeah, 3 break-evens trying to go long. Yeah, it's tough, man. 3 break-evens is good though, man. Manage that risk well. That's the thing. You have these huge push up. Great. Longs look good. Straight back down. Cool. You go short. Nah, straight back up. So now that we've had this push down, do we go straight back up? Enki's not. Nah, gold doesn't do that shit. What do you mean? It's just respecting 4 hour resistance. You're trading before news. That's not the market's fault. That's your fault. You decided to trade before news. Gold's not shit. Gold's great. Gold moves amazingly. It's literally broken below a level of 4 hour support, retested and pushed lower. You could have just sold that 4 hour support and made 41 ticks. But trading before PMI is your own risk. But also you can't judge today's price action on that's all that gold does. You need more data than 1 day. But if you prefer Nasdaq, that's great. Trade Nasdaq, man. It's all about what works for you. All about what works for you. There's a reason I haven't taken a trade today. It's not because I don't want to trade. Trust me, I want to trade. But I'm not going to take a trade for the sake of it. The price action today is crap, 100%. But that's okay. I'm happy to not need to take a trade today. If I do get one, fantastic. But will I get chopped up in this range? No, sir. I can guarantee you, people will be getting absolutely wiped out on gold today. And I'm sitting here chilling. But yeah, price action today has been shit, yeah, 100%. Yeah, trendline, you got a trendline coming up like this. This thing, you're just ranging. You got a trendline coming down like this. You're just in a range. It's quite simple when you're in a range as well. Don't force it. Here's your support. Here's your resistance. Wait for a breakout. Like let the markets come to you, man. Let the markets come to you. Remember, the higher time frame is the key, and the higher time frame is at a big 4 hour level of resistance. So your safest bet is with this 4 hour closes back below this level, you got shorts down into here, and that would be a great trade. You got 2 4 hour equal lows. Yeah, loading up for a big move today, that's for sure. Yeah, PMI today is going to be huge. I'm going to have to get on the coffee soon to stay up for it, I think. What time is it? 5:30 now, that's pushing it. I'd pay a lot more than that. I'd pay a lot more than that. I had a couple of zeros on there. But you know, like for me, you know, what was it like the start of the month for the first 2 weeks? I think we almost had trades like every single session. I haven't taken a trade in London this week, not because you don't want to take a trade. It's just there hasn't been opportunities. It's as simple as that. Like July, I think like pretty much July and first 2 weeks of August, we had trades like almost every day, like absolute bangers. And then yeah, this week just hasn't been that much, which is okay. You know, it is what it is. We don't control the markets, we just react to it. Yeah, Asia has had the moves. I didn't trade Asia at all today. But I was looking for overall longs, but today you did actually grab the highs and then broke out. Flip your bias, go short. Yeah, Asia had a huge move today. Like a bigger move than New York yesterday. 130 tick push down yesterday. FOMC meeting minutes didn't even do that. And that, again, I think we've spoken about this before. That is typically what you see a lot during big US dollar news event days. Asia kind of has a big move. London doesn't do very much, and then New York has a big move. I've seen it so often recently. Flick your DM. Yeah, sounds good, man. Sounds good. I'll check it after this, man. Let's see. I think I have a one-to-one after this. Yeah. Aris, are you in the chat? Yes, you are. I might jump on the one-to-one soon, man. I think gold's going to give us too much today. Get a message. 5-minute rejecting again. Rejecting. Didn't take a trade? No, I'm not taking a single trade today. No, I'm not taking a single trade. Not one single trade. What are we saying? 59 long, 41 short on gold. Crude oil, 80% long, 20% short. Nasdaq pretty even. S&P pretty even as well. Makes sense. Let's see. We'll see this 30 close, guys. If it doesn't give us much, there's no point watching this. We tried to give it a good chance. We had this huge move up pre-London, 6:30 a.m. You had the beautiful buys. Until then, you've done absolutely nothing. You've had a big push up, big push down, big push up, big push down. It's pre PMI, so it's like I say, it's not surprising. Shouldn't even be trading London pre CPI. Sorry, pre PMI. Nah, nothing but next videos. Yeah, cool, man. Yeah, we'll jump on in a second, Reese, once I end this, because no point watching this. We'll do the one-to-one, man. We'll do the one-to-one. Is it up again now? It's not done anything, man. It's just ranging. Like I said, it's just ranging. There's your resistance. There's your support. Ranging. Catch you guys tomorrow. Yeah, nice one, Chris. See you tomorrow, man. Talk soon, man. Talk soon. I'll watch this 30-minute close, you guys, and if it doesn't have anything, I'm going to jump on this one-to-one early instead, because there's no point watching this. It's not ideal. I haven't had a London trade yet this week, but it just is what it is. It's just the price action. What I'm also not going to do is take a trade for the sake of it. My times are set to London, man. London. I always kind of trade off London times. I'm always on London times. It's you know, you can see it here. It's like what, 8:25 here London time, but where I'm at, it's 5:27 p.m. Happy to not take a loss. Absolutely, man. How many people do you think are getting absolutely blown up on gold today? And they're going to be like, damn, I wish I listened to Aaron and didn't take a trade. Remember, if I'm not taking a trade, it's not because I don't want to make money. I promise you. It's simply because the markets aren't giving me anything. And I'm pretty sure if I can power up for that news, I don't know what time it'll be at my time. I'm pretty sure you'll still get an easy trade today. Same as you guys on Zoom. The New York, we got no trades in London, but then the New York market call, we called amazing 30+ tick gold buys here. We called these gold buys yesterday in our pre-New York market call, above here, up into this high for 30 ticks. So you'll get your trade today. It's just, do you want it now? Sorry, I was on the wrong screen. Where was it? It was these buys up here into this high. And I'm pretty confident if I was just to wait for this breakout, wait for volume, wait for liquidity, I'd get an easy trade today. Yeah, I mean, me too, buddy, me too. I also love the feeling of being in a trade. I really do. It's a very hard thing to have, and that's why I kind of sit on here with you guys. It makes me more disciplined, that's for sure. But it's also more like, here's your support. Like, just walk away from the charts and come back. Like, you're literally right now. You could set an alert here, you could set an alert down there, and do absolutely nothing until they go off, and literally just completely walk away. And that's what I kind of do most of the time. I'll set my alerts, wait for them to go off. If they don't go off, I know the markets are doing nothing. Therefore, I can enjoy my evening and don't have to worry about the chart. But yeah, trust me, man. I love to be in a trade as well. My let's not do that. But yeah, my best trades are when there's volume, breakouts, and clear targets. Well, ask yourself, do we have that right now? No. We don't have volume and we don't have a breakout. And that's where the best trades will come from. Volume and breakouts. and clear targets and clear liquidity grabs. And that is it. And if you don't have them things, there's your answer of whether you should be in a trade or not. Alright, you guys on Zoom, I'll let you guys go there. I'm going to jump on this one-to-one early. There's no point watching this go sideways. I will update you guys with the market call closer to the New York session, but I'm not going to take a trade here in London today. I'm not going to force it. I'm happy to sit on my hands. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in Discord throughout the rest of the day, and we'll do the pre-New York market call in a couple of hours. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Cheers, guys. Bye-bye. Alright, YouTube fam, I'm going to wrap up there. I'm going to leave it there. I'm not going to force it. I'm going to jump on a one-to-one with one of the guys a little bit earlier because gold's just shopping. Like I say, don't force it. You'll get an easy trade today, but it's not right now. And I'll see you guys same time again tomorrow. And be watching them liquidity levels for the news. Liquidity levels all the way up here. And we'll jump on tomorrow and see how they played out. Talk to you guys soon. Peace.